Right, this is a night-day cuckoo clock, Black Forest cuckoo clock. See the detail of the clock, look. So you got the men in the balcony go round. You got the men there, they go round. You got the man there pulling the bell. And you got the cold water wheel there, look. At the moment the strings broke on that, but I ain't gonna bother with that at the moment. I mean, it's in good condition. There's the watch, look. That's how they tell a night-day clock. The watch about 1200 and something each. So I'll show you the clock chiming now. Show the half past. Show the detail of the clock. So you got your whites here, look. Got your whites, look, there's your whites. Tells you what the whites are. 1500, sorry, I apologise, 1500 the whites are. Detail, look. You got men playing the instruments there. You got the bloke pulling the bell. It's up there, your hands. Windmill there, look, where the water is. Show you from the side. Imagine if I'm filming with my phone, so I have to apologise. Filming with my phone. I mean, if I tell people what I pay for this clock, they wouldn't believe me. Never believe me what I pay for this clock. I never believe me what I pay for this clock. I'll tell you what, it's a cracking little clock. Well, I wouldn't say it was quite big, to be honest. So thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. So thank you.